What's up, everyone? Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today in crypto, Bitcoin is starting to possibly stabilize a little bit. We're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about the Shiba Inu coin. Vitalik had some news in regards to that, and we're going to talk about what exactly happened during this huge dip for Bitcoin. So if we take a look, Bitcoin is down 20% on the week, Ethereum down 12, Binance Coin down 20, Cardano standout up 21%, just fantastic. Dogecoin managed to eke out a little bit of, now they're down. Down just a little bit. So Dogecoin holding steady. I think a lot of people are anticipating that Elon might use that, but there are some good standouts. XRP going up just a little bit, and we have Polkadot up a bit. So if we take a look at the total crypto market cap, we bounced off of $1.91 trillion, and it looks like we are starting to come up a little bit in total market cap. It looks like, not financial advice, but it looks like maybe the crazy fire sale for everything crypto may be over for the time being. So what happened? Why did Bitcoin fall down, that much? I think it's down from the highs. I think we're down 32%, but hold on, let's check that out. We are down. Oh, excuse me, that's the wrong thing. There's a Fibonacci, but I'm interested in what Fibonacci we're at, what we hit anyway. So if we go from the high all the way to the low, it looks like we're bouncing off of the 0.023 line for the Fibonacci retracement. But I think we're about 32%, for this retracement so far. So what happened? Everyone knows Elon Musk, loves to tweet, and it scared some people. But if you've been here a while, the sell-off, yeah, it's scary. It really wasn't all that bad, assuming that we're done here. Obviously, not financial advice. Assuming that we're finished. What happened was that newbies are actually the people who unfortunately bought high and panicked and sold the dip. So as newbies panic in latest Bitcoin correction, old pros appear to buy on the dip. Blockchain data shows that the latest Bitcoin market correction would send the oldest cryptocurrency down by more than 35%. A 35% correction is a pretty good correction in a bull market. We may be completed now. From its peak just above 64,000, we may have driven by panic selling from investors who bought during the recent bull market. The Bitcoin market is in a historically significant correction. This is the biggest correction in this bull market so far. Data analytics from Glassnode wrote in a post on Monday, there are strong signals that short-term holders are leading with panic selling. Unfortunately, it really sucks. It's the newbies. It's people who have just gotten into crypto. Unfortunately, is what this information is suggesting. And it's not great, right? You save up all your money working and put it into Bitcoin at the high, and then you panic sell at the bottom. So you gotta hold those Bitcoins, hodl the Bitcoins. Elon Musk can't take this down. I don't think. He might turn around and say something crazy. You never can tell. But Bitcoin has been around a long time. Tesla's purchase is really not that gigantic as opposed to when you consider the whole crypto market cap and Bitcoin's market cap. So it appears the worst is over so far. Yeah, and it came down based off a series of tweets from Elon Musk in which he initially failed to deny outright that his electric car company has sold or will sell soon more than 1 billion BTC. He later clarified that Tesla has not sold it all. To be honest, I think it would be kind of, if he's going to sell his Bitcoin, it'd kind of be good if he just went ahead and did it, and we can confirm that all this is finished with, so that way we can move on with our lives. Because a lot of newbies, like we're seeing here, that's a lot of people's money, and a lot of people are getting really hurt by these panic signals, and a lot of people were hurt by his tweets, and it's not awesome. It's not really super great, but I guess you have to live and learn, right? Now the big story for me, because a lot of people jumped on to the Shiba coin. So Vitalik Buterin is burned $6 billion in Shiba token, and he said he doesn't want the power. The amount destroyed equates to half of Shiba's total circulating supply. So let's take a look at the Shiba chart. There's a new indicator here. I mean, it does appear that the sell-off could be over, and it looks like it may be getting a little bit of support, but I think it's just a hype coin and it's over. I don't think that burning the coin is going to make it shoot back up, but the chart does seem to suggest that there may be some upside here. If we're talking about what Shiba can actually do, can it hit a cent? Can it hit 10 cents? It has quadrillions of outstanding coins, outstanding tokens, authorized tokens. It's gonna take a whole lot more money than it's going to take more money than exists in crypto to push it to even 1 cent. It's just not happening. If you want to buy it as a lottery ticket, sure, you shove $100 in there and call it a day. That's cool. It's not going to be the next Dogecoin. It's not going to be the next Bitcoin. I might eat my words in the future if 10 years down the line it's $100 a pop. I'm going to be really, really upset. But I do have my lottery ticket there. I didn't buy much, but I have like $100. So the Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has burned 90% of his Shiba tokens, an amount worth 6.7 billion. He also donated a lot of Shiba token to India to help with the COVID epidemic there. And it's just so funny, right? We have Elon Musk, tweeting and causing things to happen in Bitcoin that are not great, and here we have Vitalik Buterin donating away crypto that's actually awesome. And what a great guy, like giving away tokens, giving away money to countries and people who actually need it. So that's absolutely great. The trove of Shiba tokens, 410 trillion tokens, was sent to a dead blockchain address, taking them out of circulation. So that's only half, 410 trillion. So they have 820 trillion coins that exist. That's quite a few. Buterin has been given half of Shiba's total supply in recent weeks in what appears to be a marketing stunt. Yeah, if you were not aware, that is a marketing stunt. What they do is, the next, meme token or whatever token, they'll send it to Vitalik Buterin's address. His address is public. You can find it on the internet. They'll send it to his address, and then they'll copy and paste it all over the internet saying, hey, Vitalik Buterin holds this amount of this project. He must believe in it, or what, he's backing the project, or, he's put his name on it anyway, or believes in the project, what have you. And that's actually not the case. He has nothing to do with these coins. They're just sending it to his address. It has nothing to do with him. It's a marketing ploy, really. And Vitalik Buterin says he's decided to burn 90% of the remaining Shiba tokens in his wallet. The remaining 10% will be sent to a not yet decided charity with similar values to crypto relief, preventing large-scale losses of life. But with a more long-term orientation, he said, I've noted the attached transit time and same. And this is where last week he did give 50 trillion Shiba tokens to a COVID-19 relief fund. Yeah, exactly. So, Vitalik Buterin's pretty good. As far as Shiba goes, if you own some already, it's a lottery ticket. Keep holding. It might it might go back up again. Maybe the hype will be crazy and you'll make some money there. I don't really see a need to go all in here on Shiba token. I wouldn't. When there's so many better things to buy, right? Bitcoin is on sale. Bitcoin is an actual real, Bitcoin is actually scarce. So it makes more sense to put money into that for an investment, especially when it is on sale. Currently, there's a lot of people, a lot of bigger money like we saw, you know, are the ones buying the dip. People who have been around buying the dip. I started in crypto. My first crypto purchase of Bitcoin was late 2016. Basically, it was basically 2017, but late 2016. Um, I I converted Cardano. I converted some alts into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is overdue for a rally up. So really, don't let these shakeouts scare you. It's a time to purchase Bitcoin. Some other things doing really great in the market. ADA's held tight, man. ADA's been a champ through this whole thing. It did come down, obviously. There was a bit of a correction, but it seems to be holding above $2 and consolidating here. And I think it'll shoot up to $3 in the near future. Not financial advice, of course. And let's take a look at Ethereum, because those two, I think, ADA, Cardano, and Ethereum are going to be the really big winners of this bull market. And again, Ethereum also sold off, as we know, but it looks to be coming up again here too, and looks like possibly the worst is over. Maybe. I guess we'd have to find out. Let's take a look at the Ethereum Bitcoin. Ethereum Bitcoin. So it's still pretty high. Ethereum is still pretty high by comparison to Bitcoin. It could correct a little further, but it does seem to me like Ethereum's getting some interest, right? Because we have EIP 1559 coming up in July. We could see it if we're done here with this big sell-off. If there's no more crazy tweets, we could see Ethereum go back and really challenge, the $5,000 level again. That's it for today. If you liked this content, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. Thanks so much for watching.